Hi guys, welcome to another episode of Fitness for Transformation. My name is Juan, and today I'll be guiding you through a 5-minute warm-up for kids. Let's go ahead and get started. First up, we have jogging in place. We're gonna put 30 seconds on the clock. Let's go ahead and begin. We'll start in 3, 2, 1. Here we go. We're jogging in place, moving our feet and our arms as we inhale through our nose and exhale through our mouths. Nice and light movement of the feet here. We have a couple of seconds left of this move, and we're gonna go ahead and take a 15-second rest. Great job, guys. Go ahead and take a 15-second rest. We're getting ready to move forward to a torso rotation with a knee raise next. You're gonna bring your arms out in front of you. You're gonna slightly rotate your torso as you lift your knee. And we're alternating legs. Here we go. Left knee comes up towards your right elbow, back down, and repeat with the other side. Continue to focus on your breath. Exhale as that leg comes up. Inhale as it comes down. Here we go. Last couple seconds here. Great job. Take another 15-second rest. We're gonna go ahead and move forward to a standing toe touch next. You're gonna widen out your feet, widen out your arms here, and we're gonna inhale as you bring our right hand to our left toes, come back up, and shift to our left side. Here we go. Right hand comes down to left toes. Exhale to come back up. Inhale, left hand comes to right toes, back up, and repeat. Last couple seconds here. Great job, guys. Take another 15-second rest. We're getting ready to move forward to inchworms next. Let's go ahead and stand at the top of our mats. We're going to bend our knees slightly, come into a forward fold, walk our palms out to the ground, come to a high plank, and inchworm back up. Let's go ahead and begin. Come on down to the ground, walk your palms out, come to a high plank, keeping your neck neutral, creating a nice strong line from head to toe, and make sure you're stacking your joints. Hands are directly below your shoulders before you come on back. And we repeat. Nice strong plank, and we inchworm in and out. Last couple of seconds here. Finish up your inchworm. Great job. Take another 15-second rest. We're getting ready to move to the ground to move to mountain climbers next. Again, we stack our joints, come to a high plank, and we're ready to begin by bringing our right knee up to our right elbow, back down, and we alternate to our left leg. Go ahead and repeat as I do this. Right knee comes in and back, left knee comes in and back. Focus on your breathing. Nice clean movement. Last couple of seconds. Great job. Take another 15-second rest. We're getting ready to move over to butt kicks next. We're gonna stand up and we're gonna jog in place, but we're gonna kick our rear with the back of our foot. Nice and light. Here we go. Go ahead and begin. Join me in this simple move here. Getting our heart rate up. Continue breathing in through your nose and out through your mouth. And remember to move your arms and keep your head and chest up. Great job. Take another 15-second rest. We're on to our last move, which is gonna be jumping jacks. It's going to be a simple up and down, and we're getting ready to start in 3, 2, 1. Here we go. We're jumping. This is our last move. Getting ready for our workout. We're getting a heart rate up. we're getting the lungs fired up. Great job. Last couple seconds here. Great job, guys. That was awesome. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure you give this a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit subscribe. I post instructional routines every Monday, Wednesdays, and Thursdays, and I look forward to seeing you next week. Thank you for watching.